Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.